Welcome to a day in the life of a nutritionist. Today, I'll be showing you what I eat to nourish my body and maintain a healthy lifestyle. First thing in the morning, I start my day with a refreshing glass of lemon water. This helps to detoxify my body and kickstart my metabolism. For breakfast, I enjoy a nutritious bowl of overnight oats. I mix oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a variety of fruits to give me a balanced meal that fuels my day. Throughout the day, I make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. It's important to quench my thirst and keep my body functioning optimally. When it's time for lunch, I opt for a colorful salad packed with leafy greens, vegetables, and lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu. The vibrant colors not only make it visually appealing but also provide a range of essential nutrients. To satisfy my afternoon cravings, I reach for a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. These snacks provide me with a boost of energy and keep me full until dinner. For dinner, I like to experiment with different recipes that are both delicious and nutritious. I focus on incorporating a variety of whole foods such as whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Before bedtime, I wind down with a cup of herbal tea. This helps me relax and promotes a good night's sleep. By eating a balanced and nourishing diet, I ensure that I'm providing my body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Thanks for joining me on this journey of healthy eating. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration on living a healthy lifestyle. Remember, your body deserves the best you can get.